Hi everyone. Can you see me? Okay, I'm doing my first Instagram live and you guys got me here because you guys played completely when I asked if you want to make your life more peaceful, and hence I'm doing this, and I'm here to explain you my ways of getting into peace in the moments when life is not very good to us. So, talking about peace, first of all, what is meant by peace? Peace is, for me, something which just makes me feel the way I want to feel. If you go by the dictionary meaning of peace, you can say that it says tranquility or calmness. Also, the time when you're not at war with yourself. Hi, I can see you, Ashima, Disha, Sai Giridhar, Ketan. Thank you for joining in. Do let me know what do you guys think about peace. I would really love to know your definition of peace. And I'm here to share what I do to get into peace. First of all, understand what peace means to you. And for me, peace is, as I said, the time when I feel my best is peace, right? And a lot of time people ask me, how am I always happy and bubbly all the time? The reason is I take life seriously, but not too seriously. I hope you guys do the same, right? So for me, when things are not going in line or things are not going as planned, what I do is I shift my focus from that particular thing to the solution of that particular thing. And to come to that, what I do is I go for deep breathing. I start breathing, and especially I do abdominal breathing because these nerves which are connected to my abdomen and my brain helps me calm down, and this has been proved scientifically. So what I request you guys, when life is not being that great to you, just go into the deep breathing first of all so that you can come to terms with what is happening. Once you know what is happening, you'll be able to know how to deal with it, because every solution comes from being peaceful. So my things of getting into peace, the first thing is deep breathing, especially abdominal breathing. Peace is equity and total allowance. Yes, I agree that. I totally agree with you, and I believe in that. Peace is internal and we are searching it externally, right? The other ways to get into peace is, as I said, acknowledge. Deep breathing helps you to acknowledge. And the second thing I would say is through gratitude. When I'm flowing with gratitude, I do not have complaints. I would not feel bad if anyone is doing anything wrong, right? So make sure that you come to a point where you are grateful for everything. If someone is fighting with you, you can still be grateful that there's someone in your life. Imagine life when there's no one around you, right? That fight will also make you feel peaceful, right? The other thing I do is forgiving and letting go. See, someone is disturbing me mentally if I am angry or if I am not happy with what that person did to me, right? Hi Niyati, nice to see you. So, make sure that you do not hold on to that anger. It is only damaging you and no one else, right? So for getting into peace, you have to let go of the anger, and to let go of the anger, you have to forgive. I know forgiveness is not easy. You were expecting something and someone else did something exact opposite of it, and it just makes you feel uncomfortable. But you know what? That's just a test, and you can pass that. It happens. So I'll give you my example. Yesterday, I promised myself that I will not get irritated, agitated, or angry on anything. And what happened was, there were incidents after incidents after incident yesterday that were disturbing my peace. But what I did is, I promised myself to be peaceful. I would say approximately 99% I kept the promise. 1%, because of that 1 second or 2 seconds of uneasiness that I felt inside internally in my heart, rest I was able to maintain because that was a commitment. How about committing to ourselves that we will be peaceful no matter what others are doing to us, right? So try that. Hi Kinjal, I see you as well. So I repeat myself, what I do to be peaceful is I try to shift my focus, and with the help of abdominal breathing it becomes easy because it calms my mind. Second thing I do is I acknowledge the thing and I try to find a solution instead of sticking to that particular thing. Third thing that I do is forgive and let go. And fourth and the most important thing that I do is to believe in myself that I am capable. We miss out on all of that. And once we miss out on our capabilities, our belief systems are weak, trust me, life will not be easy. And today I'm making this live in such a messy look is just because I want you guys to understand nothing can take away your inner strength if you are peaceful. Okay? And thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. And stay blessed, stay peaceful. Bye bye.